Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make coffee ice cream with just 3 ingredients and without an ice cream maker. Place your bowl in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before making the ice cream. Beat 500 ml of whipping cream until it forms soft peaks. You need 3 tablespoons instant coffee. Add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix until the coffee dissolves. Add the coffee in 390 grams of condensed milk and mix well. Add the coffee and condensed milk mixture into the whipping cream in 2 portions and beat well. Transfer the ice cream into a tin. Lightly flatten the top with a spatula. Freeze for 7 hours or overnight.